Hi there, my name is Joanna, and I'm with Sephora today to show you how I got this festival-inspired hair, look, and body glow. Let's get started. I'm going to begin by parting my hair down the center all the way down the back of my head to create 2 even sections of hair. I like to secure one section of hair with a clip or hair tie to keep it out of the way. The key to getting this raised, chunky braid effect is to cross under, not over. To begin, I'm going to pick up a small section of hair at the front of the head and divide it into 3. Now I'm going to begin with the braiding motion, but rather than going over the middle section, I'm going to go under. As I start to work down the length of my hair, I'm going to pull in small portions of hair along the side of the braid as I cross under from left to right until I reach the nape of my neck. Then I'm going to secure the braid with a hair tie. Now I'm going to get started on the other side, being mindful of the direction of the braid and the amount of hair being pulled in along the way to keep the braids even. Again, the trick here is to go under, not over. This technique may take some practice at first, but it should start to feel like a simple braid once you get the hang of it. Next, I'm going to take a small strand of hair from the ponytail and wrap it around the hair tie to cover it, and then I'm going to secure it with a bobby pin. Now that my braids are secure and even, I'm going to add some shimmer with the Bumble & Bumble BB Shimmer Strobing Jelly for hair, body, and face in prismatic gold. So I'm just going to use my fingers to pat the jelly on the braids. This jelly texture is infused with glittery mica, which creates an instant shade shifting shimmer effect when applied to your hair and face. I prefer to use my fingers for application, but it also glides on nicely with a makeup brush if you prefer that technique. I love the way the gold shimmer hits the light. There's also a pink shade available if you're looking into doing a more colorful look. Now, using my fingertips, I'm going to apply the Supergoop Shimmer Shade SPF 30 and Golden Hour to my eyelids. These mineral-based SPF 30 luminizing eyeshadows have a creamy, buildable formula that glides on easily to create an effortless natural eye look while protecting your delicate eye area. So now I'm going to go back and finish off with the strobing jelly by adding a bit to my cheekbones to add that extra touch of glow to the high points of my face and then tie the look together. So to carry this glimmer from head to toe, I'm going to finish with the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Soul Oil Broad Spectrum SPF 30 Sunscreen. It's formulated with coconut oil for intense hydration and leaves your skin so soft, hydrated, glowing, and protected. I'm going to rub this on my arms and chest to protect my skin and give me that gorgeous, subtle shimmer. The dry oil texture really leaves my skin feeling hydrated without that heavy, greasy feel. So there you have it. I hope you enjoy this look. I want to know what look you're planning on rocking this festival season. Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and like to this channel to watch more tutorials. And I'll see you guys in the next festival. Thanks for watching.